Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about building a flexible framework, the role of utilities and configurations. So consider a scenario. You find yourself hard coding URL, browser types and login credentials directly into your test scripts, making it difficult to run tests in different environments or update details. So solution, so centralize all your environment specific and configurable data into a config.properties file. So this is code part of your framework using the utilities. So consider an analogy, like think of it like a central cookbook for your kitchen room. So instead of trying to remember every single measurement of for every recipe, so like URLs and passwords, you simply look them up in the one reliable and easy to update book. So example like config.properties file. So how we are going to write down like if we are going to comment it by like hashtag, so application URL and URL like a key value page. So URL equals to http example.com and hash browser settings like browser equals to Chrome and hashtag user credentials like username equals to admin and password equals to admin123. So how to read it? So utility code, a simple utility class can be created to load these properties and make them available throughout your framework. So for that we are going to use the code like properties equals to new properties and file input stream FIS equals to new file input stream and which read the properties file. So properties dot load file input stream and string browser name equals to properties dot get property and like it is calling the browser parameter. So tip like create a driver factory utility class. So this class can read the browser property from your config file and initialize the correct WebDriver instance. So Chrome like Chrome driver, Firefox driver. So this prevents you from writing the new Chrome driver in multiple places. So conclusion like externalizing your configuration makes your framework flexible and easy to maintain and ready to run across the different environments without any code changes. So common questions: why use the .properties file instead of just storing values into the Java interface or a class? So like .properties file can be modified without recompiling the code, and this is crucial for CI/CD environments where you might need to switch between the QA staging and production URL without changing the application source code. And next one, so besides URLs and browsers, what other information is good to keep in the configuration.file? So it is great to for the storing like default timeouts, like example like implicit weight equals to 10 and environment names like environment equals to QA and flags to control the text execution. Example, headless equals to true.